Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I have a mixed drink recipe for you guys. I'm gonna make an oranges and cream mixed drink with a Jim Beam orange. First, a little bit of heavy whipping cream. Say about that much. And then about a half teaspoon of this, or maybe you could go a whole teaspoon. If you want to replace this with vanilla extract, you can, but you're probably going to have to use a little bit more vanilla extract. I think I'm just going to go with a full teaspoon. If you want, put some orange food coloring in it, you know, for the aesthetic, I guess. Ready whip. I think I put a little bit too much whipped cream on there. Sorry. I had this last night too. Remember guys, drink responsibly. That is totally good. I think I got a little on my nose here. Oh, it happened again. Yeah, guys, this is definitely good. I had this last night. I really want another one. And no, I'm not an alcoholic either. Crap. I just washed this shirt too. Oh well. That is definitely good. I'm going to come up with another mixed drink for this because I really like this. I wanted to put an orange wedge on top here, you know, for the look, but I forgot to go to Walmart after I got off work. I went and got some Taco Bell, and then I even forgot to take my movie bag. And then I had to run back out to town and take it, you know, back to the Red Box. Like I said in the review, the Jim Beam whiskey flavor kind of overpowers the orange. I don't taste the orange really much, but this is good. But I want to continue sipping on this and relaxing after a hard day's work. So that's all I got for you guys tonight. Do as I always say and just have fun with it. If you're going to make mixed drinks, just have fun with it. If you're going to go bowling and be a professional bowler, just have fun with it. If you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, then hitting the little bell for the notifications, and then that way, whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, share, and comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great night, everyone.